Got my boy Sam from One and Done. I'm gonna do a little test here on our hats. See if we can burn them, burn the color off of them. Got this one. Don't need much. I'm just gonna burp that on it. See what it does. I knew the bottom would do it.
Well, not doing that.
No, it's good. Perfect. All right, boys. Well, I definitely passed the bleach test on the most important parts. I knew the cotton would get messed up on the top, so let's test it. Let's do a submerge in some chlorine and just see what it'll do. Let's see what it'll do. Nice and hot, boys. Let's see what she does. SH is good. Oh yeah. Minutes after the full soak, baby. Sheesh. Alright, it's nice and dried. It's salty, boys. Lost the cardboard out of there. So we knew the underside would bleach, which is no problem. All the way through. Let's rinse it off. Some minor burns, some minor discoloration. We'll let that dry out. Let's see what it looks like. It's drying. All right, it's all dry. So based on that submersion, man, minor fades. Color's still really good. Look at that, boys. Texture good. Just some minor burning. That's because it dried in it. The bottom, look at that. That turns out good. So chemical resistant? Yes, sir.